Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packers and movers Indore Madhya Pradesh. Packers and movers are a team of people who pack your stuff and load in a truck from your current house to your new location. They unload your goods at your new house. Best professional packers and movers Indore Madhya Pradesh. Packers and movers are professionals who safely pack and transport our goods, such as furniture, baggage, artifacts, and furnishings. As these service providers become our one-stop shop. Relocation services Indore Madhya Pradesh. There are many relocation services whose help you can acquire at the time of relocating. When you are on the lookout for packers and movers, though, assess their credibility, the number of years. Car transport services by car carrier Indore Madhya Pradesh. Our customer service team is available to help explain how we stand out from the crowd of other movers. Some of the advantages you have when moving your car with car transportation company. Bike transport by two-wheeler body scooter Indore Madhya Pradesh. The only thing you can do with any bike shipper is to have your packing done in front of you, then to pack every piece of the bike with bubble wrap, a lot of cloth and paper and anything to give it more cushion. Commercial and household goods luggage transport services Indore Madhya Pradesh. A moving company takes a lot of stress off you when you're moving. There is a certain amount of trust in letting someone transport your items. You will get these qualities depending on your budget and requirements. Commercial complex office factory industrial relocation shifting solution Indore Madhya Pradesh. Our relocation professionals work closely with you to understand your needs. We will help chart an effective plan of action to meet all your relocation needs. Local transporter services within city interstate and intrastate transportation Indore Madhya Pradesh. For local packing and moving within the city. These service charges included in the final quotation provided by movers, as it includes packing charges, transportation, labor costs. Pet relocation services by chartered special vehicle Indore Madhya Pradesh. This organization sets the professional standards and ethics involved in animal transport, monitoring the performance of its members. Goods storage, warehousing and CO working spaces available Indore Madhya Pradesh. Warehouse management is the strategic day-to-day running of operations in a warehouse to promote, improve, and ensure operational excellence. Commercial vehicle, factories and transit insurance Indore Madhya Pradesh. A transit insurance plan and secure the losses which you might face if your goods don't make it to their destination. The policy is easy to buy and comes at low premium rates. Contact us on www.cargo.in, shifting@cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com and mobile number 9405410002.